Hello, Asagi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any person of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Eat me.
What would you do for your dad on Father's Day?
My papa will carry me inside his belly for 9 months.
You're very stupid.
When he put to bed like this, everybody celebrate or no?
Shut up, my friend.
In fact, I go sing song for her. Tano sopa ni baba. Tano sopa ni baba. Hey! I was talking another way. Father Abraham, have many sons. Many sons, Father Abraham. I am one of them. Oh yeah, I was saying, Father. Oh, Jesus. Our Father, he say Father.
What with that?
Where they go? They don't know the song. Well, he was say was a closer label. He's a human being photosynthesis. Yes. Thank you.
I was you an idiot.